Hello and namaste everyone. I am Anshu here from Aditri Fab. Today I am coming with exclusive indigo hand block print suit. These are really very pretty vegetable dye, and this is a most demandable product from Jaipur, because this is a basically for only for hand block print and vegetable dye and beautiful color combination, all indigo color combination. So let's get started now. See how beautiful indigo color. This is for indigo lovers. So top will be like this. Small booties on the kurta. See, top will be like this. Hand block print. Chanderi fabric. Very fine soft chanderi lining is required in this fabric, but this fabric goes very smooth in summers and winters both, so you can carry in summers also. Very classy. See, this is my choice of wonderful indigo suits. See how beautiful. So top, dupatta and ajrak indigo bottom. See, this print is very in nowadays, ajrak print. So we made it in cotton. So top chanderi, bottom dupatta chanderi, and bottom is a cotton. So very fine texture, very smooth fabric. See. Price would be 2200, shipping free all over India. Another color is again indigo. This all collection is indigo vegetable dye. One more booty is like this. Bottom will be like this. This is a cotton bottom. We have a many varieties, so you can choose as per your designing or as per your choice. Bottom dupatta will be like this. I will show you a full length of dupatta and the printing. Dupatta will be like this. See how beautiful print is there. See. So you can team up with this dupatta with white or plain cotton fabric. See, top will be like this. And bottom, this is a bottom, cotton bottom. So top, bottom and dupatta. Another pattern in this indigo is a small prints. Color will be same indigo, but motif will be changed in every type of fabric. So bottom will be motif will be like this. This would be a bottom, and dupatta I will show you. Dupatta. See, check out the dupatta and printing. So dupatta will be like this. See, you can wear this dupatta in white suit. This. So these all are beautiful color combination, indigo and beautiful motifs. So top, bottom and dupatta, chanderi, pure chanderi, very soft chanderi, and one more print is there, small booties. See, another is small booties. So top will be like this, border will be like this. So you can use this border for the sleeves designing, or you can use in the neckline designing also. So bottom will be like this. All are really very superb, rich fabric and design. So I'll show you dupatta, chanderi dupatta. See how it looks. You can use this dupatta with chikankari white suit, or you have another white option. So you can try this dupatta with other suits also. So this is a top, bottom and dupatta. So we can team up with this designing with dupatta, with other suits and this one. So we can use some other styles. So dupatta will be like this. See. So that's it for this category. I'll meet you in the next video with new varieties. And one more thing I would like to share you, that we have started customized stitching. If you are interested, then what you have to do, you need to contact on WhatsApp. We will give you some measurement chart and some basic detail. We will take 5 to 6 days for stitching, and we will dispatch your courier once stitching is done, and you will get it your order in 10 to 12 days, right? So we are here to help you for hassle free stitching. We are here to help you. So stay connected with us and book your orders. These are really very superb quality clothes we have. So I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you so much for giving me so much love and support for you from your side. So stay connected with Aditri Fab.